Welcome back again. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Android not downloading or installing app issue on your phone. So let's begin. First, go to settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom, find the apps or similar name, tap to open them. After that, use the search bar, simply search for Play Store. Once you found the exact app name, tap on it to open the page. After that, look for the bottom right corner, you can see force stop option. Click on it, hit OK. Then scroll down to the page, go to storage. You can see two options. Tap on the both option one by one to clear it. After it done, simply close the app, then restart your phone. To do that, swipe the top of the screen to open quick panel, tap on the power icon appear, select restart, tap on it again and wait to turn back on your phone. After your phone is turned back on, this time you can open the Google Play Store and log into your Google account. After you have successfully logged in, use the search bar, search any app if you install. For example, I install any app like, then hit the install button and this time it worked properly. That's it guys, you can easily fix it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.